everyone, so today I'm excited to share with you how I make this flavor of a broth. Join me as I take you through the simple steps to create a delicious vegetable broth that is perfect for enhancing your favorite dishes. Hi guys, welcome back to Blessings Kitchen. For this recipe, you will need the following ingredients. I have here 2 medium carrots, 1 red onion, a frozen celery, you can use a fresh one if preferred, leek, celery root, and a fresh parsley. So we are just going to wash these vegetables and chop them into manageable pieces. If you want to see more delicious recipes like this, be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications so you never miss an update. And feel free to leave a comment down below with any questions, suggestions, or just to say hello. I can't wait to hear from you guys. So at this point I have here 2 tablespoons of peppercorns, fresh thyme, and 1.5 liters of water to cook. Bring the mixture to a boil. Reduce the heat and let it steam for about 1 hour. Once the broth is steamed and develops rich flavor, I'm going to strain it to remove the solids, leaving behind a clear, flavorful liquid. So yeah, the broth is ready. You can use this broth in your soup, stew, or as a base in your sauce. Let me know about what you think about this recipe in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and bye.